Hellcat.
If you haven't seen through the title, this is my keyboard unwrapping. By the way, yes, I do use a keyboard and mouse on Xbox now and then. Not all the time, but anyway, I'll be back in a moment. So, this is my new gaming keyboard. I haven't actually had a look. I've only opened up and that's it. So let's have a first look. By the way, this is my second gaming keyboard. I have one broke because I kept on smashing the space bar because it wouldn't work properly. And this is why I got this one. So, with the actual wire for it, of course. Let's see the actual keyboard. One sec. I'll be right back because, actually no. I got it. Bit awkward, isn't it? Fuck's sake. I need to get a tripod or something. Oh. You guys see that? Mars Game. This is not sponsored. I am just opening the keyboard. Oh, look at that. Let's. Okay, sit down in my bloody way. Look at that. Put the box. Look at that, boys and girls. We have a nice keyboard. That actually feels really nice. More nice than you would actually know. Like, can you hear that? That's good quality. I don't like that those keyboards that are really like loud. And my old one was. I'm not really a big fan of it. It's got even these little bits on the back. I legit don't know what the fuck they are. Let's have a. This needs to stand up, but that's a very weird way to have it upwards. That's a very weird way to have it. Like, look at that. You pop it through, like this. Because I thought it would sit like that. No, it sits like that. Different. Once again, it's from Mars Gaming, by the way, if anyone wants this keyboard. But yeah, this is actually nice, really nice. By the way, this is my mouse. I don't know actually what it is. For the gamer. Oh, it's a Dragon one. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This has been my keyboard fucking opening. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. I just couldn't think of anything to post. But yeah, this is what I'm posting. Alright, see you guys in the next one.